How to create LinkedIn ads campaign tutorial 2021. Hi guys, today I am showing you that how you can actually create LinkedIn ads campaign in 2021. So let's get started. First you have to do is just go to your LinkedIn account that you have. You don't need any business account or any other platform. Just go to your LinkedIn account and log in. Once you do that, go to your profile. This is what my profile looks like. It's just so simple. So what you're gonna do is either you will find the option of advertisement right here, or if you do not see it, just simply click on work. Once you click on work, now you will see there are different products that are available, and here I'm gonna select advertise. Now once I click on advertise, here I will be able to create my LinkedIn ad campaign. Now I am at campaign manager. Then you will land on this page right here where I'm gonna actually create my ad account. So what you have to do is you just have to add your account name and currency, and then there is associate a LinkedIn page with your account. It's optional. If you want to do it, you can just simply go ahead and do that, or you can actually create a new LinkedIn page. If you do not have a LinkedIn page, then you will simply click on create a new LinkedIn page. But in order to do ad campaign, it was optional, but it is, I would suggest that you actually go ahead and create a LinkedIn page, because this is the page where we will be running our campaign, right? So what's going to happen is that you can create a LinkedIn page. There are many options, for example, small business, medium to large, showcase, and educational institution. So I'm going to go ahead and click on small business right here, where I will be able to create a small business page for my LinkedIn. So you can see right here that these are different details that I actually have to add. Page identity. So here you're gonna add all of this information right here, your name, your external website that you have, of course, and then you're just gonna go ahead and add your company details and your profile details as well. And this is for our business that is outside LinkedIn. If you have a website, if you have a page or channel that you want to advertise on LinkedIn. So for now, I'm just gonna go back to the campaign because it was optional, so I'm just gonna leave it. So what's gonna happen is now you have to click on agree and create account, and now my ad account will be created. Okay, you can see right here that this is what the campaign page looks like. This is my ad account. You can see campaign group, and they have added the currency as well here, and new campaign group, untitled campaign. If I'm just gonna click on here and give it a name. Okay, you can just simply click right here and you will give it a name. Then if I want to add a campaign group, I will simply click on next. So we're going to create a new campaign. So I'm just gonna, you can see right here, this is what my new campaign is. So I'm gonna just now, if I want to active a new campaign group, I will actually have to pay for that, and current spend is 0. So they're giving me all of this information. So you will actually able to see all of these different steps right here. Step 1 is select campaign group. So that's what we're gonna do, and we have selected the group. Next. Okay, you can see right here, now this is where we actually select our audience and add all of this information for our campaign. So you will be able to see this is our setup campaign, and here we will be doing objective selection, audience, ad format, placement, budget and schedule, conversation tracking. So this is what we're going to do in the step 2. So what's going to happen is simply, what is your target audience? You're just going to add whatever your target audience is. For example, if your campaign is, I named it YouTube, and I want it to be targeted towards people that are looking for tutorial videos. So that's what I'm going to do, just as an example. So I will simply click on here, and if I want to add a location, so you can see right here, all you have to do is just click on search and type the name of the country, and then simply click on that, and you will be able to add the countries. So I have added all of these countries that I want to target audience from. So I'm going to close this for now. I have added all of this information. Then language will be English. Who is your target audience? Then there is an option of narrow and exclude. I'm just gonna leave it right here. Then there is ad format. What kind of ad I am actually going to run. You can see right here, single image ad, like an ad that has simple one image or a cursor image, video ad, text ad, spotlight ad, or follower ad, conversation ad, event ad. So you can actually, choose from all of these options. So I'm going to select video ad because I am going to add a video in it, because you saw that I am going to create it for the YouTube. So I'm going to do that. Once you do that, next option is to run this campaign, you must have a company or a showcase page associated with this account. Now, this is what I was talking about, right? That this is where you will actually require a company or a page. To create an ad account, you didn't need it, it was optional. But that's why I was suggesting that you go ahead and create new LinkedIn page. It is still open right here. You can just simply come here and create your own page on LinkedIn if you do not have any business outside. So for now, I'm just going to leave it, or I can actually, go ahead and add any company name that I already have. Okay, you can see right here that I have added this website right here. Then there is placement, LinkedIn audience reach up to 25%. This is just for the placement options. Then the next option is budget and schedule. Now this is where you're gonna select your budget. If you have your daily budget is $150, no, it's not, that's too much. I'm going with maybe $50 per day, or if I want to go to a lifetime budget or something like that. So you can see right here you're just gonna go ahead and select your budget, and after that there is bidding option as well, and bidding strategy, where you can actually add these different optimization goals and stuff like that. And then there is conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is optional. If you want to do it, you can just simply do it, or if you do not want to, you can just simply leave it. So once you have added all of this information right here, then you're just gonna click on next. Once you click on next, our next step will be set up ads, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, they're asking me to confirm, yes, save, and now they're saving my campaign, and then we will be able to set it up. Now I have to set up my campaign, my ad, and you remember I selected the video sponsor. So I'm gonna just click right here and add a picture or any. Okay, I'm gonna browse the existing content, create ad. So guys, you will have to now add an image or video right here. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that you have to browse existing content. So what happens here is that I'm gonna click on browse the content, and this is the content that is on your page or your website. So the content you will have here. Okay, so now the website I added, it was just so random, right? We didn't have any page. So when you will create a page here, you will have your company, you will have your own content on that page. This is where you will actually see that content, and from that content you're gonna select any of the image or video that you're gonna add in your campaign. So it's super easy. All you do is you just simply click on browse existing content and select it, and then create ad. Once you do that, it's done, and after that you're just gonna simply click on next. After next, it's the last process, which is to preview and then launch our campaign. Now this is the review of our campaign that we just created. This is how you create an ad campaign on LinkedIn. It was super easy. You can see all of the details that I added right here, and you can see the budget right here. And now they're saying that I have to add the billing information as well. So you will just add that, and then once you have all of this information right here, you will be able to actually one more thing. You can see right here that this is the forecasted result, that you can see that this will be your budget for 30 days. They have calculated for you the budget you have added of, like for example, I added $150 per day. So they have added this budget for me right here, that the campaign will run for 30 days. That's pretty good. And once everything is done, all you have to do is click on launch campaign right here. For me now, I'm not gonna do that, but you're gonna actually launch the campaign. So you will just simply click on launch and it will be launched. It's super easy, and all you have to do is just add all of the information and you're good to go. Or I could just simply save and add it for later if I do not want to run this campaign for now. So I have just saved it, and you can see right here, this is one of the my campaigns that have been created, and I can see all of this performance chart right here, demographics. If I want to export it, I can do that as well. So this is where you actually have your campaign managing system. You are a campaign manager, and this is where you will see all of the stats for it and all of the campaigns that you are running for your page on a link. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. It was super easy to create your own campaign on LinkedIn in 2021. I hope that you learned it, and now you will be able to create this campaign on your own. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.